The CAS in applied quantum computing is an opportunity for professionals like you to acquire expertise in quantum computing and to use its potential for your domain, be it in business or life sciences. Because yes, the time to learn about quantum computing is now. The quantum race is on. So explore how it works, the basics, build intuition, program actual quantum computers, understand the opportunities and the risks, distinguish the hypes from reality, and importantly, understand the applications. This CAS is really built to understand the real-life applications in optimization, AI, cybersecurity, or chemistry. So what kind of challenges will you or your company solve in the near future, and how will you apply it? It's not meant for quantum physicists, but to enable people to learn by doing, whatever your background is, with a comprehensive curriculum and lots of practical hands-on experiences. We offer a hybrid program with both online classes and bootcamps on campus to facilitate access and networking. And you will also get exposed to the quantum ecosystem, learning from industry leaders from the main companies. Again, with this CAS, you will discover the business and technical implications of this new frontier and learn how to apply it to real-world problems or to your organization, whether you're an engineer or a business leader. So join us and get a recognized degree, a strong foot in the quantum ecosystem, and start shaping the future now.